May the truth be told, I was down bad, now I got it on go. Finna count my dough till my thumb got slit. Put my neck on glitz, put my name on the list. Finna shine.
Hey guys, so I didn't get to speak to you guys before I left out because I had to pick up the food and I was running late. Hello, and I was running late. So yeah, so we're at the dock. I'm gonna show you the boat. They're setting it up right now, and after they're finished, I need to check out the decorations and sort it out. So yeah, I'm gonna let me show you guys the boat. There is it, very cute. It's around probably like 20 people thereabouts. So I'm still not feeling well, but I had to push through for my friend. This is the decor for Miss Ma'am. Let's go into the room right here. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is the boat. We're all ready to go. She is on her way.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me.
Guys, so we have docked, and yeah, I'm actually, everybody else is on the boat, and I'm here on the island alone. And there are some people in the water, but we're having a lot of fun. So updates, we are just here taking pictures. Everybody's just going one on. The birthday girl over here. I don't know if you guys can even see her, but yeah, we're here just having fun. And let me show you the photographer. There's the photographer and everybody else, and you know, pictures. Yeah, we are all taking pictures. The men are over there, right there. Yep. So we are home from the island, and the girl is tired, full on. Guys, I can't wait to buy like a camera so I can turn it facing to me, so I don't need to use. Remember, I'm using my phone, so it has to be the back camera to have a little bit of quality. Besides that, we're home from a great day. It was so awesome. Number one, she was extremely surprised. If you guys want to see like the short form content, just follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And when I left my house this morning, I did go to the shipping company to pick up some packages because remember we fixed up the side table last night, and I knew that I did buy some decor for the side table, so I knew I needed to like pick it up today. So what's this? Ooh, okay. Yeah, so I picked up the rest of my packages, and I did buy a diffuser to go on the little table here. I may just probably put it in the bathroom, but this is lavender and vanilla. Ooh, I want to put it right now because I really want to smell it. Remember y'all, I do have like a candle, so I do make and sell candles, so follow me on that. I only ship locally, which is Jamaica only, not shipping overseas at the moment. Currently the shipping from Jamaica to US or probably other Caribbean islands, for USA it's going up to 3 weeks, and Caribbean islands maybe like a 1 week or so. So what I plan to do is to test my candles. One of my friends live overseas, and I want to send it to her and test it to send it to her to see if it's going to melt and all of that. So I'm trying to do that in the summertime. However, I do need to buy something else to package the candle and then ship it off to her, so she can give me feedback on that before I even start shipping overseas. Also, DHL is an option because they're faster, but faster means more expensive. So I'm going to reach out to them to find out what's their pricing. I did go on their website and do the little estimate thing, but I got no info. So I may need to take my ass there or make a call. So, and I do plan on selling diffusers as well. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is going to be perfect for my business. Ooh, I can smell the vanilla right off the bat. It's not that strong, but it's sealed, but I can smell it. Oh, this is going to look so perfect at my table. I'm super excited. So this is a diffuser. And with the diffuser, it comes with the sticks. So I'm going to stick the sticks in it like literally right now. This is okay. Oh, wow. I got 2. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So this is vanilla only and this is lavender. When I was purchasing it, I had no idea it was 2. Ooh, I'm definitely putting vanilla in my room. For sure. Whoa. Whoa. I had no idea it was 2. Wow. This was so reasonable too. So it's on my Amazon storefront. How many sticks are these? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 11 sticks. Did I miscount? Wait, there's one at the back. So 3, 6. Hold on. I can't even count because they're like 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. I am so excited. Ooh. All right, so that's it for the first box. Let's see this now. Oops. By the way, I have plans on going on hanging up tonight. So I specifically did not drink a lot today so I can be, you know, sober and happy and alive, because I'm staying in my swimsuit until it's time to get ready. Is it? Yeah, so I'm purposely still in my swimsuit, y'all. Seriously. And on my bed. I'm gonna change my sheets as well. So we plan on changing our sheets tonight. It's been a whole week of this. Plus, remember I was sick Friday night, so a whole lot of sweat and stuff went on the sheets. So the girl has to refresh her bed. Which should be the... Oh, it's so tiny! So I did buy a little statue for the side table, and I was going with like a nude vibe because I had bought the reed diffuser and it was like wooden cream, you know, nude. So I did buy this little statue. Wow, it's so tiny. I didn't realize. It's so nice though. Wow. Oh my, this is cute. So I got this. I'm gonna drop it right here. I'm gonna set up my side table right now and get back to you guys. But the only thing is my candle, my labels are black and white. But you know, black and white and nude goes perfect together. So let me fix up my side table. So I'm currently at court. I sold my couch, and because it was too big for the area that I currently live in. The space that I was prior, the couch was perfect for that. But this space that I'm currently in, the living area / kitchen, it's so tiny. So I'm gonna be getting a sofa bed. So sold the one that I currently have. I'm gonna get a sofa bed, what I think makes more sense, a little bit smaller, or even a 2-seater, but it has to be smaller. I already measured the space and I know where I want it and how I want it. So like I said, I think a sofa bed would work. I'm currently at court, so I'm gonna check them out. Then I'm gonna walk down the road and check Singer, because Singer has a closed down sale. So hopefully they have the color that I want. More than likely I'm looking at gray. And then I'm gonna check Active. I know Active already. I've seen it on their website and they're more money, so I doubt I'm going to go and even buy it at Active. I did buy my couch at Active, which I love. I really love my couch, but just the space is a problem. So we're at Courts in the parking lot. I'm gonna head there now, and yeah, let's see what Courts have. I'm just gonna check the price. Let's check the prices for today at the places, and then by weekend I'm gonna purchase the couch so we can start set up the living room area, because I want to move my TV from the bedroom to the living room area, you know, and just watch my TV there. I am gonna buy a second TV for my bedroom, but right now that's not in the budget. So we're just gonna get the couch, move the TV into the living room area, and try to set up the living room till it's a bit more homey. No, that craziness. Anyways, we need to head out now. I saw some that I really like, but I'm not gonna spend 150k for a two-seater. That's crazy. Or for a love seat. The prices is ridiculous. I'm not doing that shit. I'm not. So we're gonna go to Singer, then Active, and then head straight home. Why the love seats are so expensive? $150, I'm not spending this money. It's cute though. The color is very nice. Nicer than how it looks on the camera.